Hello friends, I am architect Shalu Mittal and warmly welcome you to my channel on bioclimatic architecture future proofing with simple and advanced passive strategies. This course is offered by NPTEL and taught by Professor Iyer Vijay Lakshmi Kasinath. This is a 12-week course. In this video, we will go through assignment of week 11. Week 11 consists of passive design strategies for modern climate, case study of modern climate, passive design strategies for cold climate and case studies, passive design strategies for warm, humid climate and case studies. Now the question 1 of assignment 11. Holistic approach to climate responsive architecture entails use low embodied energy materials, use recycled materials components, use renewable energy systems, all the above. Answer of question number 1 is all the above. Alright. Now coming to the question number 2. Spacing of the building in moderate climate must consider open spacing for breeze penetration, protection from hot and cold wind, both A and B, neither A nor B. Answer is both A and B. Spacing of buildings in moderate climate must consider open spacing for breeze penetration and protection from hot and cold wind. Question number 3. Passive strategies for cold climate should aim at prevent solar radiation, open and widely spaced buildings, both A and B, neither A nor B. Answer of this question is neither A nor B. Alright. Cold climate often need highly glazed facades. This statement is true or false? This statement is true, so the answer is true. Cold climate often need highly glazed facade. The statement is true. Question number 5. Walls in cold climate should preferably be sheared, high thermal mass, thick, all the above. Answer is all the above. Question number 6. Trombe wall is an appropriate advanced passive strategies in cold climate. Answer is true or false. This statement is true. Trombe wall is an appropriate advanced passive strategies in cold climate. Question number 7. Trombe wall is an appropriate advanced passive strategies in warm humid climate. So the answer is false. Answer of question number 7 is false. Question number 8. The best axis for building orientation in warm humid climate is, answer is east-west. Question number 9. Walls in warm humid climate must be high thermal transmitting heavy, both A and B, neither A nor B. Answer is neither A nor B. Now the last question of this assignment. Which of the following is not true while designing warm humid climate? Southern facade requires extensive and deep shading devices. East opening should have special shading device. West facade should have accurate shading device, all the above. Answer of this question is southern facade requires extensive and deep shading devices. This statement is not true. Alright. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, do write in the comment section below. See you in the next video. That will be the assignment of week 12. Till then, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.